J-Dog Jack, and today I'm going to be doing a fidget spinner video, boys! So, first, I'm going to show you some of the fidget spinners that I have, and also, thank you so much to anyone who has subscribed to me, and comment down below so I can learn your names. That would be really helpful, so I could give you shout outs and stuff like that, and everything like that. So, first, I'm going to start out with this one. This is my lime green fidget spinner. You guys see that? See? Here, look at this. Look closely. Spins one way. You can see the outline of the spinner, then it goes the other way. Is that cool, huh? That's cool, right? And then we have... I'll be right back. And this is the LED fidget spinner! Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Now, is this cool or what, guys? So there's 3 settings. So this is this setting. Oh, that one went off. It's really hard to see that, but that's this setting. And then there's a slower setting. If you look close, you can see the differences. Party! J-Dog Jack in the house, boys! Boys! Ah, yeah, that's funny. That one's cool, right, guys? Here, get some light in here. You need light. What's up? There we go, we got light. And now, we have the dark green fidget spinner. Take a look at this bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys. So right after this video, I'm gonna be doing an Eminem rapping video. So I'm gonna rap "Lose Yourself." If you guys don't know that song, it's sung by the song is by Eminem. And it's called "Lose Yourself." So I'm going to be rapping that. And I've been learning the words for about a month. So please don't comment if I'm bad. Just just don't tell me that I'm bad. Just say, J-Dog Jack, that was nice and good. That was terrible. Don't say that. That's just mean. That's mean. And then we have this one. Which is this one. You guys can take a look at the colors if you want. Woo! Whoopsie daisy. Holy cow, that looks so cool. So that's going to end it for today, guys. And I'm going to be doing the Eminem Lose Yourself video right now. So goodbye. I'll be right back with you in a few minutes. Continue watching, guys. And make sure to like and subscribe this video, please. Bye-bye.